Hey guys, it's Mark here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see if a file is safe before you execute it. So if you downloaded a file from a website, I'll be downloading OpenOffice. It's basically a free Microsoft Office alternative. And so I downloaded the file real quick right here, .exe. So it's an application, and if I launch it, it'll run installation. Now, if I want to see if that file is safe, I can go here on virustotal.com. I will leave the URL in the description, the link. Leave it in the description of the video. You can do file, URL. I did a video on URL. You should see it. If it's not posted, you'll see it come up soon. And then today I'm doing file. So basically you go choose file. Go to your downloads or wherever you have your file. Double click on it. It'll upload it. And then you'll know here. So what it will do is it'll generate a hash, which is like a specific identifier for this exact file with the same code and same everything. So what happens is if it's been altered or anything like that, they'll know if there's anything if it's been changed basically. And also if this hash is in a virus database or something. So right now they checked it against Vera, Bitdefender. I'm sure you've seen some of these, F-Secure, Malwarebytes. I'm sure you've seen some of these for the Avast is here too. They're basically antiviruses and that, so they're checking everything. So it says undetected, so nothing's been detected. Doesn't mean it's 100% safe, but you're more than likely it is safe. So here we have 0 out of 64, so it's green. If you had maybe a couple, I'd be cautious, like 2 or 3, 4, something like that. If it's big names like Avast and that, I'd be even more cautious. If you have like 15 plus or something, then yeah, I'd probably be careful. Like 10 or 15 plus, I would be careful. I wouldn't be running it. This tells you the size of the file, all these kinds of things. You can go under community. Sometimes people will log in and explain to you what it is and that. This will tell you what happens. So behavior. So it'll tell you it writes files to this location. Registry keys. This is advanced stuff. You don't have to worry about this. Relations. So bundled files. These are files that are part of it. Yeah, you don't have to worry about all this stuff though. This is just advanced stuff. It'll give you all the different properties of the file. When it was created, signature, all of this kind of stuff. The names. Anyways, a bunch of extra information that you don't have to worry about. It's more advanced stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we know this file is good, so I can go ahead and run it if I wanted. So that'll be all. If you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a like. If you want more content like this, subscribe. And yeah, see you later.